everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we are going to be hiding some threads. Now, it's unfortunate, but whenever we make anything with yarn, we have those nasty threads to hide. And I'm going to show you how I do it. So you're going to start with having your garment. Now this is a dog sweater or pet sweater that I made. It fits a 5-pound pet. I'll put a link in the description for the tutorial on how to make it. So we're going to start by turning it inside out. Okay. We're going to take our needle. Now I use a crafting needle, okay, not a yarn needle. And the difference is this. When you're using a crafting needle, the point is a little bit sharp. Whereas when you're using a yarn needle, usually the point is blunt. The reason I go with the one that's a little bit sharp is because when I'm picking up my stitches, I'm only picking up the front stitches. And if you see here, sometimes I go through the fiber, not just the loop. So having it pointy helps it get through that. So you go through a few stitches, only the front ones. That's why I put my fingers here so I make sure I'm not going, well, I guess these are the back ones. So only the back ones, so I'm not going through to the front. Okay, I pull through and then I go. Now you see how my working yarn is coming out right here? I'm going to go a bit behind it. Okay, and then go past. Now let's do that again. I go a bit behind it. So my working yarn is coming out here. I'm going a bit behind it and then a bit past it. Keeping those fingers so that I know I didn't hit the front. And I just keep doing that for a few stitches, okay? I usually typically go a minimum of 3. I want to get 3 out of my yarn end. Okay, then we get to the end. You give it your snip. And that's all there is to it, guys. Because you did those back stitches, you don't need to do any knots. Your yarn is anchored. So that's how I do it. Now I get the joy of doing all the others. So if this was helpful to you in any way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and check my description. I put all kinds of neat things in my description. Leave a comment. I'd love to know where you're watching from. It always amazes me how many people far and wide tune in to find out what I'm doing, right? That's a little bit odd, but whatever. Have a great day. Bye now.